All right, hey, how's it going, guys? Super duper producers here with another video. Sorry about the mess in the garage right now. I got a bunch of little projects going on, but without further ado, let's get started right to the video. I know it's been a minute. This isn't my car, by the way. This is a custody car. I got a customer, but he's doing the non-stop tuning vr30, the belt pulley upgrade, and I was just looking it over right now. And this is the first time I install them, but damn, honestly, looks like really good quality. I'm definitely gonna do it to my VR, which is over there. My G, and then my Z06. If you guys haven't seen this, there'll be more coming for this car. So stay tuned for that. Heads, cam, well, fixed heads, cam, E. I didn't film any of it, but I'm just, go through the process, maybe a little bit of tuning and stuff. But let's get started to the video. All right, so I kind of already went ahead and started. Let me go this way. So I went ahead and started. He has the AMS intakes. So I would say, really, all you got to do is remove this intake on this side. So you can see right there, it's all apart. I mean, intakes is 210 mils and a clamp. It should come off. And then what you're going to do after that is you're going to go down to your belt tensioner and put your 3/8, put it in there. And then I like to use like a little 10 mil bolt to hold the pulley in place. And then after that, you're gonna loosen the bolt that holds in the tensioner. And essentially the pulleys you're replacing are basically all the plastic ones, which is this upper idler pulley, that one right there, it's hard to see, and then the one on the tensioner. So you're replacing all three of those with this stuff right here. Oh, right here. And you buy this at, I think Racebox is the only one that really sells them right now. Or you can buy it from Nonstop Tuning. But this is like their branded ones. But so basically you get the grooved one. This is the one that Z1 sells, the anti-jump, the one that I have installed in my car. And then the other smooth pulley. And these are obviously awesome because it looks like the bearings are good. And it's all, I can't remember. I think these are aluminum. I don't know, but it's basically metal instead of plastic, which on the plastic, once you start making more power, they start to melt. And trust me, I've melted a few already on my car. Once I started making 700 on my car, it literally, like, those pulleys are like, they're asking for help. And even on like stock turbo cars, like I literally, like, I've seen some people on stock turbos like kind of melt the plastic a little bit on those. But let's keep going. I'm gonna take these apart and then I'll show you. And then I forgot to tell you guys, this is a 14 mil, and then these are 15s, I believe, 15 millimeters. And there's a cover that goes on them too. You gotta pop the cover off. And I believe you don't reuse these anymore after. But let's keep going. Installing these now. So they are gonna be a 16 mils for these ones. Make sure you put the spacer on the back if it has one. And then this only goes on one way. So this one, this one pulley right here, this will only go on this one. And then this one's gonna go on the other idler, or I guess the one next to the tensioner, which would be right there, the one that's still on right now, which is that one over there. And then the grooved one is gonna go right here. And then she shouldn't mess it up because it looks like these two have this little insert, so these can only go on the other ones, and the one that goes on the tensioner is a little bit wider. It has a bigger hole right here, so this is the only one that can actually fit on the tensioner. And I'm glad they did that, so if people don't get confused. But pretty simple. Just install them all, reinstall your belt, and then should be good to go. I don't think you reuse this cover, so I'm not going to. I'm pretty sure that's just for the OEM stuff. And if you do, well, my bad. But from what I've seen, people don't reuse this. But let's keep going with the install. Damn, my hands are dirty. All right, so I lied. You do use that little cover. Seems like it helped this spin better. And don't tighten it crazy amount. Tighten it, I guess, right before it stops. Right before. I can't even talk today. Right before so it moves like freely, because I don't know. This one was like, if I tightened it all the way, it was binding up. So you don't want that, obviously. So I guess a little bit before. I don't know. Maybe this one's just a little messed up, but just a little tip in case you guys run into that. But it's plenty tight right there, and it looks like it's spinning pretty freely. So, all right, let's keep going. All right, and there it is. Once it's all installed, the tensioner, and then the one over there. That's what it should look like. I put a new bell on it for him too. Yeah, that should be it. Just turn on your car, make sure you routed everything right, but everything should be right. And sometimes you'll see they're a little bit off, but once like the car turns on, like it'll align itself. As long as you got them in all the pulleys, you should be pretty much straight. But without further ado, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. And I'm sorry I've been slacking on videos. My bad. I'm sorry I've been slacking on videos, but it's summer, so I really don't take it out anymore. And I'm really trying to get more content going for you guys. It's just kind of ran out of stuff. Ran out of money probably too, because this thing needs a built trans, it needs a drive shaft, it still has a few other mods I could do, but it's just like, I'm just so out of money, honestly, and time to do this. So I gotta focus on other builds over here. But peace.